Well, hello there. I'm the old Growler. Welcome to It's Time for a Beer. Every day about this time, I kick back, grab a can of beer, bottle of beer, maybe a wine or a spirit might drop by. We're all friends in fermentation. And I take a little time to read the label, take a look at the artwork, see what they're trying to sell me, crack it open, and see if it meets those expectations. Of course, I rate it also. It gets a 1 if it just shows up. 3? It hits the mark. 5 is an elixir of the gods. All right, well, let's see what we've got here today. Let's have a beer. It is Paulaner Munchner. Yes, sir. From the Paulaner Brauerei in Munich, Germany. It is, of course, brewed in Germany since 1634. Münchner Lager, original Munich lager. It is original Munich brewing tradition, and it tells me it is a Bayerisch beer, Bavarian beer, 4.9% alcohol by volume, imported by Paulaner USA, White Plains, New York, brewed by Paulaner Brauerei Group GmbH and Company in Munich. Best before production date, see the bottom. Okay, what do we got here? 11/28/24. Okay, and we are in October, so we got a month to go. All right, well, it is a, oh, here we go. Government warning, the Surgeon General said I should not be a pregnant woman operating heavy machinery. No problem. All right, well, I've had this before. In fact, in 1988, I had it in Munich at Oktoberfest in September. Oh, that was a fond memory. All right, well, I digress. What am I looking for? I'm looking for not a straw-colored, but a nice deep-colored, effervescent, malty beer with a nice bit of hops in the nose. Let's crack it open and see if it meets those expectations. Oh, by the way, $5.99 at the local beer emporium. All right. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. Ah, that is a beautiful, wow. All right, well, certainly looks the part. Let's see if it tastes the part. Cheers. It was just automatic. I had to take 2 sips. Actually, it's about 2 in the afternoon on a Thursday, and my taste buds, they go on siesta. They need to be woke. They're woke now. Oh, wow. Okay. The body of the beer, it's got that maltiness, the fullness. You don't get a lot of, it's not a graininess thing, it's not a bread thing, but it is a full, rounded, nice, it's not a sweet thing, but it's certainly a mellow flavor, and the hops are just a touch. Let's go in for a nosedive. A toasty little nose on that. Yes, a little bit of toasted bread. Oh boy, that is nice. All right, well, let's see what the taste buds make out of that. It's a classic. It's absolutely the epitome classic Münchner beer. Wow. Okay, well, did it meet expectations? It certainly did. Am I going to? I'm going to give it a 5. It is the elixir of the gods. It is right to tone. It is right to style. It is just as they have been doing it, and they've got to be doing something right because it really is something special. Oh boy. One more sip. That's a treat. If you enjoyed this presentation, please click on the subscribe button and the bell. That way you won't miss any of our presentations. A thumbs up would be great. Share us with your friends, and a comment would be really appreciated. I'm Pete LaFrance, the Old Growler, looking forward to seeing you next time when it's time for a beer.